Hi everyone, today we're going to draw Jake Sully from Avatar. Let's grab our markers and let's begin. We're going to start with Jake's nose. I'm going to start from this side. And I'm going to make the sides of the nose. Then I'm going to go down with a V and go up. We're going to start here and do the upper part of his nose. Next, we're going to go to the sides. We're going to draw the eyebrows. So I'm going to start here. I'm just going to draw an angry looking eyebrow. And on this side, we're going to draw another. Now right below, I'm going to do the bottom of the eye. I'm going to bring it up. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same. We're going to do the top of the eye. Just make it a straight line through. And I'll make another one. Then I'm going to make two pupils. Start right here and on the other side as well. We're going to bring in light reflections and I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Let's fill in the pupils. We're going to go just below the nose and I'm just going to draw the mouth there. Now I'm going to make a dot on this side. I'm going to transfer the dot there as well, roughly about the same. I'm going to connect the two dots with a downwards curve. Then I'm going to go down. From the neck, I'm going to connect everything. We're going to draw a necklace. Take it up. We're going to start up here and I'm going to draw here coming down and I'm going to bring it up again. Roughly about the same height. I'm going to go down . Now that we have the hair, I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to bring an ear, and the ear is going to be to the upper side of the eye. On this side, I'm going to do the same thing. My ear is a bit down there, and then we do the inside of the ears. I'm going to start here in the middle, and I'm going to do his hair. And then connect it. I'm going to start up here roughly and I'm going to draw here and I'm going to connect this all to his ear, the top of the ear. We're going to go to the other side. We're going to connect this as well. Now before we do the hair at the back, I'm going to make Jake's shoulders first because the hair will go behind. Start on this side, bring it down, and then on this side I'm going to bring this down as well. Now you can check out my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and I will see you soon. Bye bye.